Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 street types in English. Number 1. Street. It means a road in a town or city with buildings on both sides. Example, we walk down Main Street to get ice cream. Number 2. Road. It means a general route that connects places. Example, the road to the village is long and quiet. Number 3. Avenue. It means usually a wide street, often lined with trees. Example, the hotel is on Park Avenue. Number 4. Boulevard. It means a wide city street, often with a median and trees. Example, they opened a new cafe on the boulevard. Number 5. Lane. It means a narrow road, often in a neighborhood or rural area. Example, their house is at the end of a small lane. Number 6. Drive. It means a road that often curves and follows the shape of the land. Example, we live on a peaceful drive near the lake. Number 7. Way. It means a small street or side road. Example, turn left onto Cherry Way. Number 8. Court. It means a street that usually ends in a loop or cul-de-sac. Example, their apartment is on Willow Court. Number 9. Terrace. It means a road on or along a slope, or a residential street. Example, the cottages are built along Hill Terrace. Number 10. Parkway. It means a broad road, often with trees or greenery beside it. Example, we took the Parkway to avoid downtown traffic. Now you know 10 common street types in English, and I hope you can spot them the next time you're out and about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next lesson.